Black Cow Retrieval Augmented Exploit Checker. White code ship fast, hacker move faster, Black Cow find the exploit before they do. You can see the DeFi exploit loss year by year from the 2017 until 2025 that the last year have the loss by 1,000.8 billion from the DeFi hacker, and this too we will solve about it. There are many problems about of the DeFi losses. First is 1.4 billion stolen, still breeding. Second is audit don't scale. AI security is a mode ChatGPT. Don't decimating, no proof. Report vanish. No to combine real exploit evidence with the pre-deployment analysis. The gap between the tools. Audit firm cannot keep up. AI audit tools touch the LLM blindly. Exploit data sit unused. On-chain storage was too expensive until now. No one built the orchestrator. The solution from the Black Cow. First, orchestrator, not a chatbot. 8 tools, one consensus engine, the LLM input, not authority, same input, same output. Second, cryptographic proof on every run, replay ID and trash hash. Third, gatekeeper, not a glue code. Consistency, gatekeeper block mismatch decision. Confident engine is a single source of truth. On-chain permanent immutable. And the last is $0 deterministic. This is our architect. First of all, we use the Black Cow CLI, and I use the skill in the Black security. And the right hand side have a Qdance storage for vector database. Build OpenAI client. Agent core have 7 tools to use it. Parallel execution, Sigma normalizer, consensus engine, attack simulation engine, graph constructor, consistent, confident, final decision, attestation engine, and largest memory layer. The traction of a front-end, back-end, smart contract, and the real of a transaction. Don't just ask an AI if your contract is safe. Ask an AI that has seen real hacks.